about 4 months ago, we decided to try to solve the speed to lead problem inside of HighLevel. We all know that speed to lead is important when it comes to how fast can we get in contact, or how fast can our clients get in contact with their contacts. But actually measuring that, we found to be impossible. So we started down the process of how do we build an app, or how do we build a series of apps to be able to solve that problem? And that's exactly what we've done here. Now, if you go to the app marketplace, now I'm in the agency app marketplace. We also have one inside of sub accounts, but you just simply go do a search for speed to lead. And it looks like a few people have already found it. Once you install it, you're going to get a custom menu link. Of course, install that custom menu link, and it's going to install a series of apps as well as a snapshot. This is what the snapshot looks like. The very first thing that it does is it installs this. Now, when you install this snapshot, you're going to configure this. So you're just going to do outbound message manual. It automatically installs this, but the way that HighLevel pulls this specific app in, it does have to be set up to where you're going to want to select SMS. Now, you can add all of these other filters also, but you are going to want to set this as a trigger. You can go ahead and delete that one. And what it does is we have two workflows. One that timestamps when the lead is entered using custom fields, and then we update the custom field the first time they're contacted. And in this case, it's an outgoing call or a manual message is sent. Then we update those fields, and then we start getting into some of the applications that we actually had to build in addition to speed to lead, as well as the outbound message to be able to accomplish this, which is running custom value math. The end result is when you're on the sub account, the first thing you're going to want to do once you've added the custom menu link to the sub account is you're going to want to come over in here to setup, and you're going to want to start the connection process. It's just real simple. You put in your email address and it starts working. From there, you go to statistics. Now, these is showing the custom values that we've used to test this to make sure that it's working right. You're not going to have values when you first install it because it pulls in those custom values. So we created this tool. If you hit reset values, it's going to do that. So the idea here is once you install it, hit reset values, and then it's just going to automatically start counting every lead. It's going to timestamp when they come in, and then it's going to run the math as an average for the entire sub account to where you can simply come over, click on stats for speed to lead. You'll be able to see then through this how fast are your clients actually reaching back out to their contacts. This snapshot and all of the apps that we built are completely free inside of the marketplace. You can go either to the agency marketplace and install it to all of this sub accounts. Just remember that each sub account, you're going to need to go to this workflow, and you're going to need to set up this manual message. And you can also, of course, add all of those other triggers. Any manual message that's sent out, once you configure all of these, it will track and then do the timestamp. We hope you enjoy speed to lead. It's completely free as long as all of the apps that we had to build to make this process work. We hope the community gets a lot of value out of it.